Several different ways for that. And really it depends on what each scenario is, which method we would use. There are ways to introduce nitrogen into the system to find them. We have listening devices that can find them. We can use certain gases to find them. There's even some of the older school methods, which is finding manifolds that these lines start at and feed to, and testing those individually. So it really just depends on what this house is experiencing, how this particular house is laid out. For example, we got called out to a place at the airport and they wanted to know if we could do acoustic leak location. And we sent the technician out and he said no, because the airport doesn't shut up long enough for me to hear anything underneath the slab here. I brought all this fancy equipment and I can't use it because there's literally not 10 seconds where something's not making noise. So we had to go to some old school methods. We found their problem when we fixed it, but the fancy new stuff didn't get us where we needed to be. So we've got all the methods. It really just depends on your particular application. What do we think is leaking? Where might it be? And what's the best tool to find that one?
ABC Home and Commercial Services.